Hi, it's your girl AZ. So we're going to do our last video, and this one is going to be on the lip to complete the look of my series. The first video we did was brows, showing you how to shape them and make them for your face and fill them. And then the second one was eyeshadow, how to do multiple colors, how to transition the shades, and then the third one was foundation with concealer and contouring and highlighting. So the fourth video to that series for your full face is going to be on lips. So if you have full lips like mine, you can make them smaller if you want to, or you can make them exact depending on what you like. I like my lips, so I don't make them smaller, I make them exact. So what I'm going to do is show you the 3 steps. The 3 things you're going to need today to follow along is going to be a lip liner, a lipstick, and a lip gloss. The lip liner you want to be a little deeper than your lipstick. I'll explain to you why. And then you want to have your lipstick. I'm going to use liquid today. Liquid is easier to put on. It lasts a little bit longer. I do have hundreds of tube lipsticks that wind up, but today we're going to use liquid. I want a more matte look to put it on, because when you wear matte lipstick, it lasts longer. So when you're drinking, if you happen to kiss your husband, it won't rub off onto them. So I like that. The other thing is, if you want to be more shiny, like my full face is more like when you're going out, you want to amplify your lips or make them look a little more pouty or full, you want to put a gloss on. If you put it all over your lips, it makes the whole lip look fuller. If you put it just in the center, it gives a more pouty look. So first thing we're going to start with is your lip pencil. Today I am using Chico Choco Sephora pencil, and I'm going to outline. So the first thing you want to do is the top. And you're going to take that liner and go right down on the top of your lip. And you do both on the top. And do it lightly, like don't put it to 80s. You know how the 80s people put that big dark line on their lips? That is so played out. Nobody's wearing that no more. So just for those people who walk around like that, don't do that. That doesn't look good. As my children tell me, that's dated. All right, so then you want to go to the bottom and you want to make your lips more taut. So you hold them tight and you start at the bottom and you draw to the corner. So you always go from the middle out. Middle out, and you make it just light enough. And then you check. You look in your mirror and make sure it's all right. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to get your liquid lipstick, and today I'm using NYX Sandstorm, and this is a nude for my lips. It's a different nude for everybody, so you got to find the right one for you. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start in the center, and I rock back and forth on the bottom, and I press them together. Do not rub them together like that all over, because then you like put your bottom lip is bigger than your top lip, so it rubs all lipstick all on top of your lip. So don't do that. That'll mess them up. You can do that with tube lipstick because it doesn't travel. Liquid does. Again, corner to corner, then do the top. And I kind of go right up to where the liner is, because I don't want my liner to like accentuate. And then I press it in, and then I let it dry a little bit. So then the last step, see how quick this one is the lip gloss. So today I'm going to use a beauty store brand. I don't even know the name of it, but it's got rosehip oil and I love it. My granddaughter Tatiana showed me this one and I just fell in love with this lip gloss. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little drop of it in the middle of my lips and rub it back and forth. And then I'll take this, because it's got a little shape to it, and just rub it. I'm not adding. And then you want to check it with your mirror. Don't forget to have your magnifying mirror. And you make sure that you don't have any bleeding on the sides of your lips, and like it'll mess up your whole look. And that's it. Now see how easy that was? I know my other videos prior to this one was a little longer, but that's all you need. You need your lip liner to give it shape. You put your liquid, let it dry down for intensity and it stays longer. And then you put your lip gloss to accentuate. So I hope you guys have fun. I want you to like and share my video, and don't forget to comment. Let your girl know what next video you would like me to put up. And I really had a great time. It is too bad that I am not going anywhere to wear this face out. So I guess I'll just have to share it with my loved ones. So anyway, you guys have a great day. I look forward to making my next video and seeing you guys on the other side. Have a good night. Thanks and be blessed.